Hi. Today, I will show you how to solve the problem of neural filter unavailability in Photoshop and its downloading problem. So make sure to watch the video to the end. If we go to Filters tab, we can see the neural filters are unavailable. The reason behind this problem is most of the time the user is using a crack version of the Photoshop. Photoshop did not allow the crack Photoshop user because it is only available through your Adobe account. To unlock the filter option, simply go to Help, and select Sign In. Here in Sign In window, log in with your Adobe account. If you don't have the account, you can sign in with your Google account or create a new one. Next, you will see this 7 days trial window. Proceed with trial, or you can buy it from Adobe site. Congrats, now you can access the neural filters. You can now use any filter on your photo. To use the filter, first you need to download the filter, but there is a problem with downloading. To solve this problem, first close Photoshop. Go to the Start menu and search for Edit the System Environment Variables. Open it and choose Advanced tab. Open the Environment Variables. While the OneDrive is selected, scroll down through the system variables until you find these two temp paths. Select this temp and click on Edit. Go to Browse Directory and open C Drive. Inside C Drive, create a new folder with Make New Folder option. Rename it as Temp. Make sure to write its name in capital. Select the folder and hit OK. Now select another path. Click Edit. Browse Directory and open C Drive. Find the temp folder which we have created previously. Select it and hit OK. Close all windows after clicking OK. Open the Photoshop and go to the filters to check if its downloading is working. There you go, you can now download any filter. I will try to make another video on different filters in next episode. This is all from the video. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel for essential graphic designing contents. Thanks for watching.